Hey guys, what's up? Hope you all doing well. Welcome to my second video. I have surprising news for you guys, and I'm very excited to tell you guys that I've recently, actually just like 6 hours ago, bought my very own brand new Phantom 4 Pro because I wanted to upgrade from my Phantom 3 Advanced. Yes, I have my Mavic Pro, and before that I had and still have my Phantom 3 Advanced, which I've been using for 2 years, and it served me a very good purpose and has been very reliable. Had no qualms about it, and served me well, and had no crashes with it. Very good quality product. Still works well. She still flies fast. Her charge cycles maybe around 50, over 50 on all of her 4 batteries that I have. And but yes, no scratches. Gimbal works fine, and I've taken really good care of it. Um, and I've always recorded at 1080p, 60 frames per second, although it can record at 2.7K. So the good news is I went to my local drone store, Drones Kaki, and pick up this new beast. Yes, I wanted to upgrade from my Phantom 3 Advanced, planning on selling it along with all the accessories and cases that I have. So this is the box for Phantom Pro that you will get. And in it, this is what surprised me the most, because in it you get this little very convenient, nice, practical luggage here. Very solid, sturdy, and well designed. Very practical also, meant for outdoor usage, meant to carry your Phantom 4 and haul it around without that much of a trouble. Because I remember first buying my Phantom 3 Advance, it came in just that white box that I showed you guys, just like that, very generic packaging. But the inner packaging was this very crappy, uncreative, very dull, white, no, not like tan, chocolatey cardboard packaging that you can't even reuse it like this one to carry it around. It cannot be used to transport your drone on the go. It's just a simple packaging box. You take it out, you throw the box away, you read the materials and everything, and that's it. So it has of no use whatsoever. But for the Phantom 4 Pro, it's of a different story. I'm thinking that's also the same for the Phantom 4. But this is what you get here, this nice little carrying case. I'm loving it so much, and it's made of styrofoam material, and there's like this layer of like waterproofing layer, I guess, but it's not like your very cheap styrofoam cups material. No, it's harder than that. It's more sturdier and thicker. Feels solid. This is the hinge, I guess. It opens like this, and the thing that surprises me the most is the attention to detail, and the quality of it. Look, it even has a locking mechanism to ensure that it doesn't flip open when you're carrying your drone. So, and it's made of plastic, very sturdy and solid. You can see how the sound of that, solid. And the casing itself is rubber padded at the bottom. It's rubber. See, and this is what I got in it. And let's open it up. I'm unboxing this in front of you guys, so this is my first time. Bear with me here. I'm excited. So you open it up, and wow, look at that. And look at the packaging. It's so compact, and look at the reinforced hinge here by this plastic. So it's meant, DJI meant for us to use and recycle. This traveling package is meant to be used. So when we save up money for the actual like formal carrying case or backpack, I already have the backpack. I bought it part of the package. I'm gonna use my backpack, but I can still use this to carry around. It's very compact and nice, and I'll show you guys a bit. But let's just jump to the things that I got as part of the combo deal from my local drone store. So I got 2 batteries extra, so I have a total of 3 batteries, 27 minutes each or more, and got this charging hub to charge 3 batteries simultaneously, like my DJI Phantom 3. I got this lens filter ND4 16 32 polarizer and whatnot by PGI Tech. And I also got this motor cover thing. Yeah, so okay. Oh god, that new smell, guys. Smells new. I like it. You know how you unbox new gadget, equipment, computers, iPads, whatever. It's like that new smell, you know, that euphoria you get, excitement you get from a brand new computer, telecommunications device, or like even like in our case drone. There's always that new types of smell like from a factory. So this is the drone cover thing. Oh, that smells nice. There's is this like the Mavic Pro? You don't need to screw on the propellers like my old Phantom 3. So all you need to do is just like twist it, push the spring down, and it'll lock in place. So this is a look at this. It's so well built. This is the reason why I upgraded. I chose to upgrade to a Phantom 4 Pro as opposed to Inspire 1 or Inspire 2. First of all, the Inspires are way too expensive, beyond my budget, especially if I were to get it brand new. And they're too big. The startup time, the moment you take off, you want to set up everything, it'll take time, and it's too heavy. It's not portable. It's quite difficult to haul around, and this is the deal for me, the good bargain here. It has everything: good quality camera, 4K, vivid pictures, stills. I think it's like 20 megapixels, 1-inch sensors, and it's portable. It's light. You can carry it around with you. It's easily, and it has 5 sensors. My DJI Phantom 3 only had one vision positioning center at the bottom. That's it, and you can see the rubber sole feet on that landing gear, as opposed to the new Phantom 4. It has this all the way lined up here. Yeah, and if you can see here, I'll focus it for you. Yeah, you can see this ultrasonic sensors, the vision positioning. Oh, that new smell, guys. Nice. And oh my god, dude, the build, it looks more aerodynamic than my Phantom 3. Look, it's cheap plastic, the shell. It's cheap plastic, and there's no layer. There's this new layer on it. It's like all slippery and soft, and it's more sleek, I guess. And you can tell it's more expensive. Look at this. I think this is the metal heat sinks to let the air escape, and this is made of some sort of alloy, metal alloy, magnesium is it, but it's like metal all around, very fine finish. These are the sensors, infrared sensors on the side, front and back. And the gimbal, the camera, it isn't like plain steel, it's like some sort of hard, high quality metal. And yeah, so it came with a SanDisk 16 gigs. Yeah, micro SD card. So the LED lights are at the bottom here, as opposed to the Phantom 3. You can see here, right? Yeah, so like the shell is cheap. You can tell it's a toy. This is also sort of like a toy, not as those Inspires, but it is professional drone for. I mean, it's good enough for professional photography. Definitely 4K camera, and you can also edit the footage in post, like Premiere and everything. It's good enough, definitely way better than my Phantom 3 Advance. That's why I chose it. I'm very thankful for choosing this one. So what else do I get in here? So I get this yeah, I guess like propellers for 2 sets, and this is the locking mechanism here, and it's made like, it feels like it's made out of like a little percentage of carbon fiber material, because it doesn't seem as flimsy and as soft. It seems a little bit brittle than my Phantom 3 original white propellers. And yeah, so there's to indicate which part it goes on, whether front, back, or whatever. There's this silver and black rings on it instead. Yeah, so, and as usual, it comes with the controller, light bridge, and I hear this the new Phantom 4 can go up to 7 kilometers, and it has the positioning, the dials as usual, and no HDMI output though, because it isn't it's not the built-in display controller that came with the Phantom 4 Pro Plus, but it's very solid. Oh, smells good. Smells like an Apple product. And so yeah. Oh, one more thing I want to note is that my old Phantom 3 controller, uh, yeah, for my old Phantom 3 controller, this thing was plastic. You guys can see it's plastic. But for on here, Phantom 4 Pro controller, it's metal, solid metal. It's like metal alloy, steel alloy thing. It's sturdy, and yeah, it feels more solid. Loving it already, guys. So very good build, very good design. Yes, you get the bang for the buck, the money, right? Worth it. And in it, you get the reading materials, the packaging. Yeah, flying safely, Phantom 4 Pro. Yeah, reading material instructions, booklets, and whatnot. And oh, you get this power brick that looks just like a MacBook Air. And oh god, smells good, smells brand new. And yeah, and American plug pointing. And this is to charge the controller. Can also use it for Crystal Sky charging, I guess. And this is to charge the batteries. I have the 3 battery hub anyway, so can use it to charge the hubs. Yes. And then here it is. Yep. And then so that's pretty much it. Can charge the batteries. See how it goes. And then oh, what else you get? You get this thing. Micro USB to USB cable. You get the USB cable. I don't know why they didn't provide me. I'm not sure. Probably it didn't come with a lightning cable. I already have one anyways. Lightning cable, USB 3.0 cable. I already have. No, sorry, not USB 3.0. USB-C cable I already have. And this is where I think if I want to store my additional batteries, I think I would put mine here, I guess. I guess so. Yeah. So there you go. That's all, and that's in the case. Very good design, very well built, and very excited. I'm just gonna probably calibrate it first. The IMU, the compass, and whatnot. Charge up the batteries, update the firmwares on all my batteries, remote controller, and Phantom itself before I start flying. And stay tuned for my next video. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it so much. And if you would like to share some tips to help me get started flying and everything, feel free, and please do subscribe. I appreciate your time and watching my video. So have a nice day, okay guys? And oh look, one more thing, even the LED lighting is different, and the ultrasonic sensors is huge compared to my the ones on the Phantom 3 Advance. Yeah, bigger and feels more solid. Side sensors, infrared sensors. So that's pretty much it, guys. I will show you my backpack case. It's in my car. I don't have it with me. That I got as part of the package. I probably will be using this first as a trial run. Then I'll switch to my backpack. So, oh, one more thing I wanted to show to you guys is, remember in my previous video I showed you guys my Mavic Pro. This is the goggles. I did the review on the goggles. I got this brand new Polar Pro goggle carrying case, and it works fine. Fits my DJI goggles fine, and I can even fit the charger block brick thing, and the cable also. The charging USB cable fits in the cleaning cloth for the lens, fits in there perfectly. And yeah, it's by Polar Pro. I like it. Yep. So oh yeah, one more thing, guys. I'm not sure if I've mentioned to you guys before my previous the thing that I realized coming from me as a Phantom 3 Advance owner who's recently upgraded to Phantom 4 Pro, there is a difference in the design of the battery. It's bigger but shorter, but there's also this ventilation holes. I'm not sure if my camera can zoom in. yeah, and oh god, the battery smells new and nice. And yeah, so I guess it's to cool the cells. I'm guessing it's in between the cells here, are intermittent holes here. But that's the first. We didn't have those that ventilation holes in our Phantom 3 batteries, and the steel connections are here on the top as opposed to ones on the bottom for on the Phantom 4. So I'm looking forward to flying my Phantom 4 Pro. That's just an interesting thing I wanted to share you guys. If you guys didn't know, if you guys are planning on buying it. But yeah, okay. Leave comments in below and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. See you guys again soon. Thank you. Bye.